Congratulations, you got your HUD contract executed and sent back. Now your buyer is ready to do some inspections and or the appraisal. So your first step to apply to get the utilities activated is to go to this website. It's for the BLM companies, and the website is blmco.com. BLM is the field service manager for HUD in Ohio. They handle mowing the grass and utilities and property upkeep, things like that. So go to the Resource Center on the right, hit the Utility Activation Tool tab. Now you'll see up here some instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to go over them with you. So this is the Utility Activation form. This form can be submitted electronically. You must allow 2 business days for processing. So you're not going to submit this thing and immediately be able to turn utilities on the next day. You cannot get the utilities turned on until this is approved. So you're going to want to put in the date, the HUD case number, the property street address, including city, state, zip code, and the county. You're going to want to put in your buyer's information, along with their phone number, email, your information, your full name, phone number, street address for your office, city, state, and zip code there, email, and it's going to want your broker's name and broker office number as well. Activation periods are a little bit different, so you need to pay attention here. So it is the responsibility of the buyer's agent to have the property prepared, i.e. winterized, for utility activation. So your listing agent should be able to give you a contractor or a list of contractors who can de-winterize the property. Obviously, water can't be turned on until the property's de-winterized. And that's going to be a buyer or buyer's agent expense, as will the utilities. So you'll have to... So once a turn-on, turn-off date has been determined, please provide them in the area below. Do not have any utilities activated or services completed until you receive permission to perform these tasks. Utilities may be activated for a maximum of 72 hours, excluding weekends and all federal holidays. All fees basically are responsibility of the buyer. And BLM does not coordinate any dates or facilitate any payments to any provider. So turn-on date must be at least 3 business days from you submitting this form. So you're going to want to put in your turn-on date there, your turn-off date, and the re-winterization date. Now BLM will handle the re-winterization, but the re-winterization date must be the same as the turn-off date. And then it's going to ask you for email address for notification. So that's generally just give them your email address, because you'll be the go-between between you and your buyer there. And then you need to specify which utilities you're going to want to be activated. Now, as far as the turn-on date, turn-off dates, I generally, what I do for my clients and what I recommend to my buyer's agents is they want to incorporate a weekend in there, maybe a Thursday or Friday, get the inspection, and then have the appraisal penciled in for early the next week, so you can incorporate it in just one go here. Then you're going to want to add your buyer's agent, type it in signature, yours typed in signature, and the date. And basically, that covers that. They're pretty good about approving. Only thing is, if there's some busted pipes or anything like that, they're not going to approve water. But it's a pretty straightforward process. And of course, I'm always here to help if you have any questions. And again, Scott Evans. My phone number is 513-519-6049. Thanks, and good luck.